Patio的 Quina 金雞納圍 Slices of Macau Oh slices of Macau Seeing Patio de Quina Walking down Patio de Quina Going around Patio de Quina Patio de Quina Going around Macau Seeing slices of Macau Courtyards and patios Going down Patio de Quina
Okay, so that's a little patio, like a little courtyard. So we're gonna walk down in here in a minute and just kind of see. I don't know how big it's gonna be. I think it might be kind of quaint and cool and small. And then so we're gonna give you some context of the other streets that's nearby. And basically this whole area is closed to through traffic. So there'll be all these markets where you can sell flowers and plants and stuff like that. And our little street just goes straight down that little alley, and then you got more stuff down here, flowers and different stuff. So so let me just put that up on the map so you see exactly where we are, and then we're gonna go down Patio de Quina. Up on the map. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Okay, so that's going to be where we're going to go down. So let me walk back a tiny little bit. We also have a Daiso shop right here, and that's going to be our target street. So let me walk down just a tiny little bit. And then that's all these little marketplaces. And I think we're going to see more on the other side as well of our target street. There's a Daiso. Okay, so let's go down our target street here. So there's the street sign, Patio de Quina. Let's go down and see what's in here. Little beauty shop. Okay, let's see. So it looks like it's going to be quite kind of small, so we're also going to tie it into this little temple over there, and we'll try to build some context to it. So the patio starts right here. You can see some of the housing, which is kind of layered, kind of a layered style structure. And I think there's not too much to this little courtyard. Okay, let me see. There's actually, I'll just kind of include it into the patio. So there's some little stuff here. Clothing shops. So I could actually walk all the way through it and give you more context. But yeah, there's little cool stuff in these little alleys. Sometimes you'll see things you don't quite expect. A mannequin there. Taco, Japanese taco. Okay, so that's some balconies up there. Let's see what this is. Oh, I really like these. This one gives you some bone if you like the bone on it. That one's kind of nice tasty one too. Peppercorn. It's like a pepper steak taste kind of. Okay, so this particular street is pretty short. But we'll give you some context. So that's the street sign, Quina. And we'll just give you some context. So I'm just going to kind of show you what's around here. This right here overlooks it. And there's like, this is a Buddhist temple, so you can see some of the Buddhist stuff over there. So we're gonna actually show that as well. So let me see if we can get through that okay. It's funny, I think I have filmed this before. When I have, I think I've combined it with the other one. So if you look at the thumbnail and see the last time I was here, you can see if I actually filmed down there too. You can tell me if I did. They put bricks into here. Okay, let's see if we can get across to that temple, okay? I guess we'll go down this way. And we'll combine it because that temple is really beautiful. It's a kind of a fast-moving bus. So that's our courtyard is right there. And then I'm kind of have to go illegally to go across, so I'm kind of trying to be careful. Never get across. I need to run across, but this is all illegal for me to go. There's our courtyard. So I'm gonna try to sneak down this way. See if I can find an opening through one of these. Got one. Okay. So that's the temple part. That's our little courtyard right over there, so we'll definitely highlight our courtyard. And then we're gonna go into here real quick and just kind of show you. So beautiful. You can see that from this, from back there. This will be lit up. I won't go through it all because they also do cremation and different stuff in here. It's not really a tourist area. There's a cat right there. It's definitely beautiful though. There goes the cat. Oh, it's going through the barbed wire right there. All bamboo as well. Okay, so some pretty interesting architecture up here, especially this building right here. So we're gonna come to an ending. That temple has a lot more in it, but I don't want to capture it. That was our little patio right in there, our little Quina. And then I'm gonna end it with these little guardians. Our courtyard between the two buildings. Our little guardian right there. So that's the end of our video.